Hey everyone, welcome to Wealth Pulse TV. Remote work isn't going anywhere, but what is changing is the kind of jobs people are getting paid for. And today I'm revealing 7 weird, unusual, but extremely profitable remote jobs that are predicted to explode in demand by 2026. Some of these pay over 6 figures, require little to no traditional experience, and number 4, honestly, sounds fake until you hear it. If you want remote work ideas that actually stand out, stick around to the end. The first weird job is something called a digital memory curator. And yes, this is a real thing. As families digitize everything, photos, videos, voice notes, VR recordings, they're overwhelmed by the sheer volume of files. So companies and individuals hire curators who organize thousands of images, remove duplicates, create custom family timelines, design AI-generated memory books, build searchable digital archives. And because people become emotionally attached to their memories, they're willing to pay $35 to $80 per hour. Bonus: requires zero formal training, just organization and storytelling. If you like cleaning up your camera roll or making aesthetic albums, this is literally perfect. Number 2 is for anyone who loves design or plays The Sims. With digital spaces exploding, fewer offices, avatar homes, virtual stores, online learning campuses, companies need people to decorate and design 3D environments. This isn't high tech. Many platforms use drag and drop furniture packs. You're essentially a virtual interior designer. You might design virtual podcast studios, immersive brand showrooms, VR classrooms, digital lounges for remote teams. Pay $40 to $120 per hour. And the best part, your portfolio can literally be a screen recording of you decorating a virtual room. Number 3 is a prompt stylist, one of the fastest growing weird tech jobs. Companies now rely heavily on AI, but they need consistent tone, visuals, and brand personalities. So they hire specialists to design prompt templates that guarantee the same style every time. You create prompt templates for social media posts, brand images, email campaigns, ads, chatbot personalities. Pay $50 to $150 per hour. This is basically the evolution of copywriting, and it's way more creative and less saturated. Alright, number 4 might be the strangest job on the list, but it's absolutely booming. Digital pet behavior consultant. Smart collars and pet tech devices track movement, heart rate, barking frequency, sleep stress indicators. Pet owners send this data to remote consultants who interpret it and provide actionable advice. Pay $30 to $90 per hour. If you love animals but don't want to be a vet, this is an easy entry point into a fast-growing niche, and pet owners spend a lot of money when it comes to their fur babies. Number 5 is something literally anyone with ears can do: synthetic voice tester. AI voice companies need humans to rate the quality of generated voices so they sound natural, emotional, and realistic. Your job is to listen to sample recordings, score clarity, score emotional correctness, give feedback on weirdness or robotic tone. Pay $25 to $65 per hour. If you enjoy reviewing audio or catching subtle details, this is one of the easiest remote jobs on this list. Number 6 is part interior design, part meditation, part lifestyle aesthetics, and it's called an online sanctuary consultant. As remote workers burn out, people are investing in digital wellness. These consultants design digital Zen environments for productivity and relaxation. You might Build calming screen setups, customize AI generated ambience, recommend lighting, soundscapes, workflows, create personalized virtual relaxation spaces. Pay $40 to $100 per hour. This is a perfect niche for anyone into minimalist design, mental health, or mindfulness. And yes, people absolutely pay for this. Number 7 may sound bizarre, but it's incredibly promising. AI Relationship Experience Designer. Relationship apps and wellness platforms are hiring creatives to craft guided conversation prompts, digital bonding activities, relationship challenges, AI-generated couples, therapy support, emotional wellness journeys. You don't need a therapy license, just writing skills, empathy, and understanding of human behavior. Pay $50 to $140 per hour. This job is new, meaningful, and has a huge market, and honestly, it's pretty cool. So that's the list. 7 weird but extremely profitable remote jobs that will explode in 2026. These jobs are unique, in demand, and most of them don't require degrees. Just creativity, curiosity, and willingness to learn. Comment below which job surprised you the most, or which one you'd actually try. If you want me to make a part 2 or create step-by-step guides on how to start any of these roles, type 2026 jobs in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a new remote career idea.